Yesterday I shared with you that I was going to expand my research or my team to bring Bart in as a paid employee to do the research, and then from the research, what he found, take that and give it to Samantha to do the analysis. And what we're looking for in the research is to find companies out there who are anticipating exponential growth in their revenues, which will eventually, we assume, turn into exponential growth in their earnings, which will turn into exponential growth in their price. So if we follow that model, then all we need is to access the data that's available to tell us who are the companies who are changing their company makeup in some way to take advantage of a growth opportunity that is, first of all, showing up as growth in revenues and then in growth in earnings. So, as I said in yesterday's video, I had a number of choices. I could take Bloomberg's template at $2,000 a month, FactSet at about $1,000, S&P IQ at about $2,000, and I decided on KOI, K-O-Y, Fin, at about $299 a month. The others were monthly as well. So I went ahead and signed up, and Bart and I are now exploring it and setting up a template. And what I want to do today is show you what we found today and what we think it's going to lead to. Okay, so let me take you to the computer and we'll see what we found. All right, this is my KOYFIN, K-O-Y-F-I-N, screening. And what I have done is gone in and said, okay, the first thing I want to see is the companies who have the highest growth in their revenue stream in this past year, and then are supported by high growth in revenue stream the following 2 years. That would be the high growth in 2025, 26, and 27. And here's what we came up with. The highest growth in revenues is Uranium Energy, UEC. And this year they had a growth in revenues of 37,900%. They're anticipating the next year that will grow by 29.23, and then the following year by 97. Well, that looks like something that we want to look into. Now, earnings, they have no earnings and are anticipating no earnings in 2025, 6, but in 27, they're anticipating a jump in their earnings and to go positive at a rate of 537%. So what Bart has done here is said, Kerry, I think this is something you need to look at. The next one is something that I actually went in and put an order in once I figured out what this was. And that's QXO. It is a company that is being built, I guess is the right word. It was a roofing company. It was bought by a serial entrepreneur, and he has come in and put billions of dollars into it and said, we are going to take a industry that has not been tech savvy, that has basically been run by small companies and not really taken to the next level of technology. And with that, their revenues have grown by 12,673% and projecting the next year of 58, almost 59, and then 36. And they're seeing their earnings because they have little or no debt. They're financed extremely well. Their earnings per share have gone up 117, 47, and 52 in the third year. So with a PE ratio of about 52. This is QXO. Again, what they're trying to do is they recognize that there is a housing shortage. There's going to be a lot of building, and the biggest disruption in building is getting the supplies on a timely basis, because the supply chain is so fractioned that there's a lot of frustration in it. And the CEO is coming in and saying, I know how to correct this with technology, to go out and buy and acquire more companies so that we have access to more supplies and we become a priority function to our suppliers. And so I've gone in and I've put an order in on that as well. I'm not going to go through each one of these, but I want to then, Jody or Joby Aviation, I did a little research on it. It's a $12.63 stock, market cap of 10.63 billion, and they are building this themselves as the first robo-taxi airplane. Yeah, this is a airplane that will be driven autonomously or flown autonomously, and you will go and get on it with multiple passengers to go to a predetermined destination, and they'll fly you there. Their revenues have grown by 1,382%, expected to grow next year by 2,088, followed by 2,253, and no real profit on the horizon. So why is this important? This gives me then the ability to do a very brief look and say, what are they all about? What do I need to know? Now turn it over to Samantha. And let Samantha come back and tell me, what's the price of this stock going to be the end of 2027, end of 2028, and 2029, or progressively? And is it a safe investment? Because what I don't know from these numbers is their solvency, their profitability. I can see that only one of them is showing any potential for profit immediately. Although here's EOS Energy, they're anticipating an increase in earnings of 600%. But this gives me the ability, with Samantha's help, to do the research that I couldn't do otherwise. I'm one guy. But now, through this screening and through the help of Bart, who will help me do this as we automate it, we're going to be the same thing as Goldman Sachs or Fidelity or Morgan Stanley. We're going to take AI and replace that army of people with artificial intelligence, with access to data, with the ability to make a template of what does a growth company look like and what do we need to know so that we can make a good investment decision. I know I've got an order in on QXO because I watched a video with their CEO. And if you want to know what that is, just look up who's the CEO of QXO. I knew him because I read his book. His book is, I think the title of it is How to Make Several $billion, because he's done it several times. But that's where I'm going. I just look back at my career as a financial advisor, and all I was a gatherer of assets and turned it over to people that I didn't know. I didn't know their means of making judgments. But now I know. I know what I'm buying. And when I buy QXO, I know what I'm buying. I'm buying the company that is going to say to all the contractors here in Birmingham, Alabama, I'm tired of dealing with Home Depot and Lowe's and going in there and not finding what I want. And if I order it, not getting the whole order when I want it. And not serving me as a contractor, but serving themselves as a company. and QXO will dominate. I'm confident will dominate the industry. Uranium Energy Corporation. We all know that the data centers are starving for electricity, and the answer to that problem is in nuclear power, whether it be the large nuclear reactors or the small nuclear reactors. The answer to the problem of electricity is uranium. And this is one of the largest miners of uranium in the United States. And they're very cash because they've got a stockpile of uranium that they can sell at any time. They got more uranium than right now there is demand for. But as you can see, their revenues are just bursting at the seams. So this is where I'm going. I think it's the answer. As you can see, I've got an array of stocks to choose from as Bart, and Bart will get better at zeroing in on these as I work with him as to how do we bring this list down from 120 to 18 or whatever, the 18 best. And the answer to that is artificial intelligence. And then how do we confirm our suspicions that this is a big winner? We turn it over to Samantha. And she goes in and does a financial analysis, of financial health analysis. We turn it back over to Bart and Samantha, and they do a podcast. And we know what we're buying. And we're only buying the best stuff available. Okay, I have a funeral to go to tomorrow over in Atlanta, so I wanted to get this plugged in so I could bring you up to date on what I'm doing and where I'm going. This is the new way to invest. I feel sorry for the financial advisors, of which I was one. I feel sorry for the financial analysts that are employed by the big Wall Street firms, because if I can do this with my computer sitting in my basement and I don't, and nobody's paying me, and I'm not paying anybody $500,000 a year. Investing is changing. You need to keep up with it. I don't know anybody else who is doing what I'm doing. If you know someone else who is doing this and offering it to you at a hefty price of $1 a day, let me know so I can go see what they're doing and maybe steal some ideas from them. But this is tomorrow and the next day and the next year. We're way ahead of the game. And it's going to pay big off. Okay, got to run. Got other things to do. Talk to you again when I get back from the funeral.